Let me tell you something, right? Sometimes the worst things that happen in your life will put you directly in the path of the best thing that will ever happen in your life. So don't forget that shit, you heard?
This is the best thing ever come out of